Welcome to this episode of Evo Inspires. Today, I am lucky enough to be sitting down with Joseph. Tell us about yourself.
Yeah, Rizar. My name is Joseph. I am the engineering manager at Jayride. I currently head the tech team for both the software development and the DevOps functions. Jayride is a global marketplace for booking airport transfers, so that's all rides from and to airports. And I'm currently working with my team on improving our architecture to enable for more integrations with the suppliers, having better connections between you as a traveler and the drivers on the background.
Perfect. Great. Well, we'll jump straight in. What's the one piece of career advice you wish someone had given you when you were first starting out?
Well, I guess when I was starting out my career, my focus was always on improving my technical skills, whether that's new programming languages, software designs, improving how I write code, and so on. If I go back in time, probably the advice I would give myself is to equally focus on the soft skills as well. Over the course of my career, I have learned that technical skills can only take you so far, but to grow in the career, you equally need to acquire and depend on having good soft skills as much as your technical skills. And this is why when working with my team, I think we always focus not just on the technical skills, but on the soft skills together. So for example, I'd like to question not just what we're building or how, but why. What's the technical value that could be aligned to a business value? How do we communicate this technical piece to the non-tech team members, and so on.
Can you share a pivotal moment in your career journey that's made a significant impact?
Well, I guess there might have been many. I guess the biggest of them for me on a personal level was when I migrated to Australia with my family, coming from my home country of Egypt. This was probably the furthest away I was from my comfort zone. I'm in a brand new, unfamiliar job market. I kind of used it at the time to push myself to learn, find where the gaps are, learn more skills, see what I can improve, work on myself. I think my motivation back then was a combination of my passion for learning and my eagerness to regrow my career to a leadership position in this new market. And I think I'm truly blessed to have had very good mentors at every stage in my journey to push me in the right direction, give me guidance, give me insights, just give me the piece of insight that I might not have at the moment, but to push me in what the good direction would be.
Perfect. And how do you approach challenges and setbacks in your professional life, and what's your go-to strategy for overcoming them?
So, as I was saying, I can't really recall any time in my career where I grew or learned a new skill or like improved myself while things were really comfortable and easy. So the thing I remind myself, I guess the go-to strategy is when things get difficult, I have to question myself. What is the opportunity? What's the thing I could learn? There is always something around the corner that I just need to find. And it doesn't have to always, it's not a fairy tale. It's not always like a hidden career move that I discovered, but sometimes it's just a new skill that I wasn't going to learn in another way, or a new experience that I was not going to get exposed to. Maybe dealing with a new kind of client, whatever it is, it's always something. And these small things add up at the end. So the mindset, I guess, the shift in the mindset, the thing I always try to remind myself is don't put all my energy into looking at the problem. Of course, I need to look at the problem and analyze and see what I'm going to do with it. But there are some cases where I don't control all the situation. The one place I always have agency and there's always something to do is how can I improve myself? What's the one thing I need to learn? What's the one battle I could fight? If that makes sense. And as long as I have that mentality of learning or of improvement, then the outcome is always positive because at least I come out better, even though the experience wasn't really easy or comfortable. So it's always what's the learning? What can I do about it?